welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iStylEmystyle, and today I am going to be sharing with you what I picked up from HomeGoods for $50. Now, $50 is really not a lot of money. You guys know that inflation has caused costs to rise, and $50 doesn't really go as far as it used to. However, I think I did a pretty good job of spending my $50. So today I'm going to show you what I picked up. It's not a lot by any means, but I still think I did a really good job. So the first thing we're going to start off with is this vase. So it's not really a vase, it's more of a utensil holder. Look at that. This was on clearance. I took the tag off, but it was $6.50. And I liked it because of the ribbing. So I figured I could turn it around and add some florals, or in this case, some faux greenery because I am decorating for winter. And I think this looks perfect. Sorry for the circus music. I don't know who's playing that, but this is what we have, $6.50. That was our first purchase, which I thought, again, was a really good deal. Now, this next piece I was excited about, sorry for the rustling, because of the design. So you guys know I love a good abstract painting, and I also like different types of decor. So when I saw this vase, I thought it was perfect for my home, and I don't want to blind you, but it's this vase. I love the shape of it. I thought it was perfect, and this was a big chunk of the budget. It was $22. So 22 and 6 is, what is that? $28. So that is a big chunk of our budget. So we don't have much left, but I was able to pick up 4 other things. So I'm gonna put this down so I don't blind you anymore. And the next thing that I picked up that I was very excited about, sorry guys, were these pillows. These pillows I love. They are quite substantial in size. I want to say they're probably 20 by 20. They were from Magashoni Homes. This light is horrible, guys. I do apologize. Let me turn this way. From Magashoni Homes, and they cost originally in store $64, if you can see that, and I was able to pick these up on clearance for $6.50. Guys, now the reason it was $6.50 is because it has the skull print on the front because it was part of Halloween. However, the cases come off, guys, and that is why I bought them. And they have a side zipper, as you can see here, where you could open and take the pillow out of the case. This is a feather-filled insert, which I thought was perfect. You cannot buy a feather-filled insert for $6.50. Maybe you can from, oh, what is that, IKEA? But I don't have an IKEA near me, so when I saw these for $6.50, I picked it up. I always think it's a great buy when you can find a feather-filled pillow from HomeGoods, TJ Maxx, or Marshalls, and use it for the insert. So $6.50. I love the color on this, guys. As a matter of fact, it goes really well with my painting, and I'll show you how they look together here. And so I'm doing a little refresh on my master bedroom for winter. So if you are not yet subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell and become a member of the family so you don't miss the upcoming video for my winter bedroom tour, as well as my winter living room tour. Nothing outrageous. I just think you might enjoy it. It's a little different. So I will be using these to spruce up my master bedroom, and I could even leave it on the side, guys, because it's the perfect color. It's gray. I think perfect for winter. And then I could just take the case off or the cover off and put another cover on it to change the look. And again, this insert only cost me $6.50. So we had $28 left in our budget. So of course, or not $28, we spent $28. So we had a little left in our budget of $50. So I got not one, but two, but three. So I did go slightly over a tad on the $50 budget, but I think getting 3 pillows, or actually 4 pillows, for $50, dust, sorry about that, guys. But I think that was an absolute great deal. Okay, the next thing that I picked up from HomeGoods was this painting. I absolutely love the colors in it. You guys know these are my colors, black, white, and gray. And I have started to incorporate a little brass, and this painting has this streak of, it's like an orangey color, but it resembles brass, so I thought it was perfect. And this was originally, sorry for all the noise, $59.99, and I got it for $39. So $20 off, which I did not think was a bad deal at all. Now, the other thing I picked up, it was not part of my $50 budget, but as I was going through checkout, I saw these, and I absolutely love the style, and I thought they would be perfect to go with the other piece that I picked up, and it's these two vases. I like the design on these. These were not on sale, but they were inexpensive. This one was, it will focus, it was $12.99. I don't know if you can see that. And this one was also $12.99. So I thought it would be perfect with my other vase. Again, this light is not the best, guys, and I do apologize for that. But that is what I picked up for $50. Now, I do have some other home decor items that I have purchased. I told you guys I was making some purchases for the year because everything is on clearance right now. Clearance is where it's at, guys. If you want to save money, make sure you always check out the clearance section of your local stores, whether it be TJ Maxx, Marshall's, HomeGoods, Walmart, Pottery Barn, Crate and Barrel, CB2. As a matter of fact, I picked up a piece from CB2 for $14. Originally, it was $30. I didn't think that was a bad deal. And it was a Leanne Ford piece, and you guys know how much I love Leanne Ford. So, if you have enjoyed today's video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Again, if you are not part of the family, I would so love it if you would hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell, become a member of the family. I have another home decor haul coming up after this. I thought about including it in this video, but because this video was supposed to be about what I picked up for $50, I didn't think it was right, even though I did include these two pieces, but they went with the other piece that I picked up that I did use my $50 budget on. So I decided to include those two pieces in this video, but I have other home decor that I think you guys will really enjoy. It was very budget friendly, did not cost me a lot of money at all. And you guys know that's how I roll. I love to save money and decorate my home with style on a budget. So if you enjoy the content, I would so appreciate it if you become a member of the family, and I hope to see you in the next one.